Welcome to the in front of me HUAWEI Nova Y90, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So first, just to do that, you should open notification panel and just tap here to the scan QR codes icon. If you have now this icon, like in my case here, you should click on the right upper corner, tap to edit swatches, and you will find this scan QR codes icon here. Just to edit, hold and drag it to the subsection, tap to done, and after that you can use it. Just tap here, click to scan. Now we can see our scanner, and we should place our QR code here to the screen of our device. Now just wait a second, and it's automatically we can see open the Wikipedia article, tap to agree, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.